Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Mini.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Safiya, when we're going to play the video, please make sure that you stop the screen share. Okay? Sorry, stop the recording. Yeah? Okay? Thank you.
Ma'am, I'm entering from another device. I'm wait.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Abdullah. Okay, I'm using a mobile today, so it would be a bit
Good morning.
tricky for me too. Good morning. Oh, it's nice and breezy at your place, Plain. I can see the curtains flying. Cool. How are you, Safiya?
Fine.
Okay. So we have everybody logged in. Okay, Humaira is not yet come in. Okay, so uh, like I said, I'm using a mobile today, so it's going to be a bit tricky for me. So kind of just bear with me. Okay, Farhana, can you just do the screen share, please?
Yeah.
Safiya, please stop the recording, please. Stop the video recording, please. Okay, so cool cars, right? And I like the message he gave that, have passion for what you do and definitely you will succeed. Which cars did you like the best, guys? Come on, tell me.
I'm the blue one that you showed in the last.
Okay. What about you, Mausam Mutafir? Humaira Ahmad?
I'm the GMC off-road car which floats.
I know. Cool. And Amina, did you like any or you'll decide your own? Yeah, Amina? I can't hear you. Sorry?
I like.
Okay. Safiya, what about you? Safiya, Farhana, Sakleen?
Bosch.
I like the one that floats, so we can go with it in the water.
Okay. Everybody likes those floating cars. Okay. Okay. Right. So if you remember last time we were talking about the cost, okay, and you all had selected some item, some object which you wanted, okay. And we were discussing about the various costs that a company, incurs, a manufacturer, producer incurs in producing or manufacturing that particular product. Okay. Now, going a step ahead, the costs are basically divided in two types. Okay. One is your fixed cost and the other is your variable cost. So fixed cost, as the name suggests, it is fixed. No matter what, that cost doesn't change. Okay. If you produce say 100 units, 100 quantity of that product, or you produce 1,000 quantity of that product, even then your fixed cost will be the same. It does not differ, it does not change. Okay, so the examples of fixed cost would be what? Tell me. What do you think would be the examples of fixed cost? Think, think. Come on, girls. Guys, come on. Sorry?
A football.
Football would be your fixed cost? Okay.
And the football is it is always a fixed cost.
Football is your product which you'll be manufacturing, Munib, right?
Yes.
So how will that be your fixed cost? That is your revenue because you're going to sell it and get money for it. Right? Your fixed cost is what? Cost is the money spent by the producer. Okay? Spent by the manufacturer, right? To purchase or in fact take for rent or hire all the factors of production. It's the money that he's going to spend for the factors of production. Is the money he's going to spend for the raw materials to produce the goods. That is the cost. If you are a manufacturer of a football company, the football wouldn't be your cost. That would be your revenue. Why? Because that's your product. Now you have to think to produce the football, what all things you will require. What all things would you require? Yes, Sophia?
Air pump.
Okay, air pump. Okay.
Because for blowing the ball, you need that thing to
Okay,
blow.
okay. So that machine which will blow air in the ball, that would be your cost of production. Munib, understood? How football
Yes,
cannot be your cost? Okay. So guys, tell me, what do you think would be the cost of production? We'll take an example of football only. Football, if you're a football manufacturing company,
pump.
what would...
Then football skin.
Football?
And what material it is made of.
Leather.
Okay. So the material, so that material which you're going to buy will be one of your cost of production.
Cost of
Okay.
production.
And the
What
air
else?
pump, because you can't blow the football with mouth, you
Yeah.
get tired of blowing. So you need
So Sophia, because it's a huge manufacturing unit and they'll be manufacturing footballs in lakhs and lakhs of quantities in lakhs units. So they will not have a small air pump. They would be having a huge machinery for it. Okay, so that would be another cost of production.
Huh?
Yes, Farhana?
Oh.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the rent of the factory, ma'am.
Exactly, the rent of the factory. Maybe it could be your own factory or maybe it could be a rent that you're paying. Excellent. That would be your cost of your production of football. What else?
Electricity.
Electricity. Excellent. Come on, guys. Amina, Munib, Humaira, think. Farhana, Ahmed.
Ma'am, salary.
Oh, yes, of course. We all need that. Salary is again your cost of production. So all the employees working in your manufacturing unit, they have to be paid, right? So with salary, okay, there are at times you have people who are working over there regularly. And you have people who come only at times, right?
And you have to pay for the
Consultants.
house, for the rent, if you're staying in a rent.
Yes, so in that salary only, your salary is broken up into different segments. So you have an HRA, that is your house rent allowance, right? So you have your regular employees, those work 365 days, and you have some employee. Actually, you wouldn't call an employee, you call them as a consultant. Okay, and they come maybe once in a month or as and when required. They give their expert advice, and you have to pay them also. So you can consider that also as an cost of production. Anything else that comes to your mind?
And from what company the product is coming?
You are making the product, Munir, so it's your company that is producing it. Amina, think about it. You're producing some football, okay? You're a manufacturing unit for football. So what all do you think will come in expenditure? Cost of that production.
Quality.
Quality, yes. So that means you'll be buying everything at high level.
Ma'am, quantity.
Quantity, okay. How many you're
Because
producing? Yes,
yeah,
yes.
you need. If you have 100 customers and you only produce 5 balls, so you need that much quantity.
Very good. You know, quantity plays a very important role when, like I said, your cost is divided in two parts, your fixed cost and your variable cost. So fixed cost is same no matter how much quantity you produce, but variable cost will change depending on how many quantities you are producing. So if you're producing 100 footballs, your variable cost will be less, but if you're producing 1000 footballs, your variable cost will increase. So remember, cost is fixed cost, variable cost. Why do you think cost is so important? Why do you think you need to calculate the cost? Why do you think? Come on, tell me that. Then we'll go on how do we calculate the cost. Go on, tell me. Why do you think cost calculation is important?
So you know how much you earn in a day, how much hard work you do.
Yes, how much you have spent in a day, right? If you calculate the cost, then you'll come to know how much you have spent in a day, or probably in a month, and finally in the year. You know, balance
And
sheet.
you will even know how much hard work you do.
Yes, how much hard work you have done. Okay, what is the reason you need to calculate cost?
How
To be
much
in
money will you
profit.
give to your employees?
Exactly, for your profit, because till the time you don't know your cost, how will you know what's your selling price, right? If you don't know the cost price of a football, what will the amount be that you're selling in the market? And for that, you are not doing any kind of charity. It's business. You need to earn profit as well. Okay. So when you know that my football cost is 100 rupees, then you would know that my selling price should be definitely more than 100, so I can make a profit. So that's one of the reason calculating the cost is very, very important, because till the time you don't know the cost, you will not be able to fix your selling price.
And you won't be able to give that much money to the employee if you don't have that.
True, 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 true. Okay, so now you understood what cost is and why do we need to do the costing part. Okay, coming to fixed cost and variable cost. Like I said, fixed cost is same no matter what quantity you produce. Okay, fixed cost is compulsory. You need to incur that cost no matter what. You cannot say, okay, oh, I can do without a fixed cost. No, you have to incur the cost. It is fixed no matter what product. If you're producing football, like say red footballs, then you're producing say about blue color footballs or a yellow color football. And if you're producing 100,000, 2,000, 10,000, it doesn't matter. Fixed cost will always be there and it will be same. And variable cost on that matter changes. It will change with the specification. Maybe if for the red football, it will be different, your variable cost. For the green, it would be different. And it also changes with the quantity you are producing.
It's
Lower
like
the quantity, lower the variable cost. Higher the quantity, higher the variable cost. So the difference between fixed cost and variable cost is two main points. One is fixed cost will be the same no
for
matter what.
all.
Yes, for all. Variable cost will differ according to the quantity produced. Second point is fixed cost. You have to incur. No matter what, you have to incur that fixed cost. For variable cost, you might incur, you might not incur. We'll see into the examples and then you will understand what we are talking. So if I say fixed cost is going to be fixed for all the quantities produced, what all things come under fixed cost? What do you think?
Chips.
Yes, Safiya?
Chips.
Sorry, I didn't
Lay's
get you.
packet.
Oh, Lay's packet. Okay.
All 10,
Okay.
10, 10.
Okay, but let's talk about football right now since we are into football. What do you think will come in the fixed cost? Think. It's going to be the same. It's not going to change. And you have to incur that cost. So what do you think will come in fixed cost? Think. Come on, guys. I know. I'm sure you know the answers.
Ma'am, I didn't get your question. Ma'am.
The question is, what all things will come in your fixed cost if you're manufacturing football?
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand the question.
Okay. Your question. My question is, you've understood what fixed cost is, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So now, if you are manufacturing a football, okay, you're manufacturing football company, Mandela Football Company, okay. So what all things will come in your fixed cost? Think. Come on, think, guys. What do you think? Remember, fixed cost is fixed. No matter how many footballs you produce, how many types of football you produce, what colors you produce, you will have to have that cost.
The money which you give to the employees for working for you.
Will that be fixed or will that be variable?
Variable.
Ma'am, because if the people work like for some
Will it
hours,
be fixed? Yes. So it will be fixed or variable? Tell me. Come on. Will employees' salary be fixed or
Employees-
variable?
Variable, ma'am. Variable.
Employees get
Variable.
promoted, ma'am, so it will be variable.
Variable. Why? Because again, it depends on the number of quantity. If they are producing more, then there are more people working and automatically the salary cost will increase. If we are producing less people will be working and accordingly the salary will reduce. Okay. Now, land cost. Is it fixed or variable?
Fixed. Ma'am, fixed.
Fixed? Okay, fantastic. All right. Electricity. Fixed or variable?
Fixed.
Variable. Variable.
because
Okay.
for using electricity, it matters on how much
Yes,
you
yes.
use.
Thank you.
Right. So electricity is again your variable, right? Okay. Now the machinery that you're using, Amina, will that be a fixed cost or a variable cost? Amina and Farhana.
A variable.
Ma'am, fixed.
Machinery, yeah, that would be fixed. Why? Because no matter what quantity you're producing, your machinery you bought for that amount and you've set it over there, so it doesn't matter, it will be fixed. Okay, so now Mosam, Mutabir and Ahmed, okay, there's a consultant, you know, with a patent come to us. Is that a fixed cost or a variable cost? A patent trademark.
Fixed.
Okay, Mosam, Mutabir, what do you think? Is it fixed or variable?
Variable.
Okay, justify your answers. Why do you think it's variable? Why do you say Ahmed is fixed?
Ma'am, it is variable because he never comes on a regular basis.
I'm talking about patent, okay? The word is patent. So you're buying the patent from him. So would it be fixed or variable? Ahmed, why do you think it's fixed?
And what is a patent?
Because it's a one-time payment.
Okay. All right. Now this is open to all the team. Okay, what do you think? Is it fixed or is it variable?
Variable, ma'am.
Variable. Okay, Safia says
Ma'am,
variable.
payment is variable, ma'am.
Patent, yes, Abdullah, Amina, Saklain, what do you think? Humaira, Farhana,
Ma'am, it is patent or payment?
patent, Patent.
No, what does that
Because
mean?
the
I've
person
explained
would
that
say,
many times, Munib. So you could just
you
Google
can't
it.
keep it.
Because I've done this
fixed.
earlier also.
Why you can't keep it fixed? Because if you tell him that I'll give you 1,000, you give me this much, he will say that I put so much effort. Why are you giving only 1,000? He can increase the money. He said that I put extra in this, so give me money. So it
Oh, that is
depends.
different. Safiya, that is like it's a negotiation you're going to have with that person, okay? Like suppose, okay, Sakleen comes up with his patent, okay? He says like, look, I've got this patent for the football and it's going to be like awesome, whatever XYZ beautiful reasons he's giving. And I say, okay, I'll give you just 1 lakh of rupees. Sakleen says, are you crazy, ma'am? 1 lakh for just this? I mean, it's such a super amazing idea. I want at least 1 crore, okay? Now, 1 lakh and 1 crore, and then we come to a negotiation, that's a different thing. But to my company, will that be a fixed cost or a variable cost?
Variable, ma'am.
Variable, okay, we have two variables. Humera, Amina, what do you think, Amina?
Because it can change.
Amin, fixed. Amina
Variable.
says fixed. Okay, Sakleen says variable. Farhana, Abdullah Saqib.
Ma'am, I think it's fixed.
Okay, she thinks,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, it's fixed. Okay, I like that. Farhana, you thinking, amazing. Abdullah also says fixed. Okay, guys, it is actually a fixed cost. Why? Because it's going to be no matter how many number of footballs you are going to produce using that patent, that formula, it's not going to change. I've bought it for that amount only. I've bought it for about, say, Sakleen, by the way, I'm not going to give you 1 crore. So for 50 lakhs, suppose. I bought it for 50 lakhs. Now, with using that formula, if I produce, say, 100 balls or I produce 1,000 balls, it doesn't matter. My cost is not going to change. The cost is going to be 50 lakhs only. So, got it, everybody? Now, could you understand the difference between fixed and variable? Any
Yes,
confusion?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now, Mausam Mudabbir, coming to what you said, a consultant, yes, that would be a variable cost. Why? Because he comes once in a while. Okay. Okay. Now, quality check control officer. Will that be a fixed cost or a variable cost?
What is that?
Quality check control officer. Will that be a variable cost or a fixed cost?
And that would
Variable.
be variable.
Okay.
Because
Variable.
sometimes we produce more.
Okay. Okay.
No, it will be variable because the quality can be good and bad.
Okay. Now, look, Munib, this is our company. The quality can never be bad. Okay. So chill. Don't worry. Okay. A warehouse. I've hired a warehouse. Okay. And that warehouse is to store my footballs after producing them. Is it fixed or is it variable?
Fixed.
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 I'm
Okay.
fixed, ma'am.
Okay.
Because how much land you buy, that much money they will ask. Then every time you have to give that much money only. Na?
Okay.
Why
Okay.
would
Now,
ask more?
excellent, excellent. Safiya, great going. I like it. Okay, so now suppose I produce this footballs and I have to send it to the warehouse, okay? And I've hired some transport, like those trailers and trucks to take it. Is that a fixed cost or a variable cost?
Fixed.
Fixed
Ma'am,
cost.
that depends on the
Variable.
quantity.
Variable. Variable.
Variable.
Variable.
Exactly, that would be variable. That's not fixed because if I'm going to produce, say, about 20,000 footballs, I might require, say, about 4 trucks. But if I'm producing 50,000 footballs, I might require 6 trucks, right? So
That's variable.
Yes,
it's
It
a
ma'am.
depends on
variable.
how many trucks you hire.
Exactly. Depending on how many trucks I'm going to hire. Okay, okay, okay. Now, I've made, okay, my factory is in the inner area of Gujarat, okay? It's in a rural area of the Gujarat, and there are no railway tracks or proper roads coming towards it. Okay, so from my factory connecting to the highway, I make a road. Okay, I make a road. I take the permission from the government, but the government hasn't made the road for me. I make a road. Okay, So will that road that made by me, is it a fixed cost or a variable cost?
That is a fixed cost.
Okay. Is everybody okay with Munit's answer?
Yes, ma'am.
That would be a fixed cost. Okay. Perfect. So that would be. So now you have understood fixed cost and variable cost, the difference, right? I hope there's no confusion in it. Can I just go ahead now,
Yes, ma'am.
everybody? Okay. Now, I'll just ask a few more questions to you. Okay. Now, let's move away from the football part. Okay. Mandela Construction, listen to the question. Okay. Mandela Construction is planning to expand, right? They are planning to expand a resort in Bahamas. Okay. Now, which of these is a fixed cost for them? Okay, so Mandela's are planning to expand. They have a resort over there. They're planning to expand the resort, excuse me, in Bahamas. So which of this would be a fixed cost for them? Okay, I'm giving you 4 options. Give me the answer. Okay, land for the new buildings, concrete to build on the new site, paint for the new buildings, windows for the new buildings. So out of this 4, which do you think is a fixed cost?
Land.
Okay, land, just land, or is there more?
Paint.
Okay, paint. What else? Come on, guys.
Ma'am, land.
Land. Okay. So we have 2 of them saying land. Okay. One of them saying paint. Are they right?
Land.
Land. Okay.
Paint.
Okay.
I have a reason also why.
Okay.
Because if you buy it in 10, so you will have this. So you can buy from the same shop the same thing. So you'll get it in fixed cost.
Okay. 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 Can you justify your answers, guys? You all said land. It's. Go on. Why do you think it's land?
Ma'am, because the land, the owner whom you're buying from will give you it only in one price.
Okay. Excellent. And no matter how many buildings you build on it, it doesn't matter. You might
Yeah, it
build.
doesn't matter, yes, because
Yeah,
the
you
owner
build.
has only the land, so you are only paying for the land.
Exactly. See, fixed cost, always remember, will be the same, irrespective whether you build 2 buildings or you build 10 buildings. Land money, whatever you paid, say about, you must have paid about 1 crore of rupees, or you must have paid 10 million. Suppose you paid 10 millions for it, okay? Whether you build 2 buildings on it or whether you build 10 buildings on it, it doesn't matter. It will be the same only. Okay. Now, why wouldn't be paint? Because somebody answered paint also. Why wouldn't paint be a fixed cost? Anybody?
Ma'am, because you might need more paint also.
Exactly. The paint depends on the number of quantity or the number of the units produced.
Ma'am, what
If
if
you-
you
Yes, Sophia?
what if you take a paint of the quantity and then you decide that I'll only build one building and then you take that much quantity. So the paint you're taking only of that.
No, but Sophia, if you say have one building, the quantity of paint used will be lesser, and if you have more than one building, the quantity of paint will be used more. So that means what will happen is that your cost will keep on differing according to the paint cost will keep on changing according to the number of buildings. So that means it's not a fixed cost, it's a variable cost. Okay. Now, another question. Sandra is a vet who is planning to start a new practice in Columbus, Ohio. Okay, now tell me which of these are her variable cost? I'm asking about variable cost, okay? Medicines and supplies need to treat patients and perform surgery. Okay, the purchase of technology such as diagnostic equipment and computers the license to practice wet medicine, and the purchase of land to build a clinic. So which do you think is the variable cost?
Technology.
Technology is a variable cost. Who said
And
that?
medicines.
Munib.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yeah. Okay. Suppose Sandra. Do you like that name or should I change that name, Abdullah?
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay. Mazhabudabir, what about you guys? Did you like that name or should I change it?
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay. Oh my goodness, I have to really have a talk with your mums. Huh? You're like names like Sandra. Oh God. Sakleen, what about you?
Okay, ma'am.
He's also okay. I'll have to speak to Bashir Bhai then. Okay. So Sandra is is going to start a vet clinic. Vet, that's an animal doctor. Yeah. So now you tell me which is a variable cost. The medicine and supplies needed to treat patients and perform surgery, the purchase of technology such as diagnostic equipment and computers, the license to practice vet medicine, and the purchase of land to build the clinic. So, which is a variable cost out here?
Ma'am, the medicine.
I
Even
think
Mazhar
Medicines.
Mutafid said medicines. Okay, Sakleen is saying medicine.
Yeah,
Girls, what
medicine.
about you?
license.
Who's saying license?
Ma'am, medicine. It depends on how many people you have in.
Okay, and technology. Munib said technology. Okay. Humaira, yes, what did you say, Humaira? I'm sorry, could you understand what she said? Amina?
T-shirt.
Okay, Ahmad, what do you think?
The medicines.
Medicine. Okay, why not technology and why not license? Because we got those two answers as well. Why not technology? Why not license?
Ma'am,
It's
license
actually
का तो
all.
fixed license will be the fixed price only, no?
Yeah, no matter how many patients you treat, right? How many dogs and cats and animals you treat, right? Okay, and why not technology? Why is technology a fixed cost, not a variable?
Technology is a variable cost, ma'am, because electricity, ma'am, how much you use electricity, it depends on that.
Okay, but this technology is the different technology. It's the apparatus and the equipments that you are going to buy for you to help in your medicine. So this technology is again it's not your variable cost, it's your fixed cost, because irrespective of the number of animals you are treating, the technology you got is going to be the same. The cost is same. It's not going to differ. Okay. Now a last one before we end. Which business do you think would have the highest fixed cost? Okay, I'm giving you the options now. Okay. A major motion picture studio that produces action adventure movies. So this is for all you guys out there. A bakery that specializes in high-end wedding cakes, a hot dog stand that sells jumbo dogs with all the fixings, yum, 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 or a pop-up boutique that relies on social media for advertising.
Ma'am, can you repeat the last one?
A pop-up boutique that relies on social media for advertising.
Movie.
So you have a major motion picture studio that produces action adventure movies. You have a bakery that specializes in high-end wedding cakes, a
What
hot
do you
dog
have to
stand, a hot dog stand that sells jumbo dogs, okay? A pop-up boutique that relies on social media for advertising. So out of this four, which do you think will have the maximum fixed cost? Which do you think?
And the movie.
The movie,
Yes, ma'am,
okay,
the movie.
okay.
Because you
What?
need to have a place for that, you have to pay. Then you need to have things to make the movie, for that you have to pay.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
then for
I
characters
think
also
the
you need
boutique.
to pay.
Okay, Ahmad also thinks it's you think the movie, Ahmad?
No, the last one.
The last one, a pop-up boutique. Okay. Okay. Amina, what about you?
I'm movie me.
Okay, Saklain thinks it's movie. Sorry, Munib thinks it's movie. Saklain, Amina, what do y'all think?
Me only.
Movie only. Saklain, as it is, he's into editing, and also for him, it's only, all related to that. Right? Amina, what do you think, Amina? Okay. Humaira? Mazam Muttapir, Farhana. I want an answer from everybody.
Ma'am, the movie.
Movie. Okay.
Ma'am, the last, the boutique.
Boutique. Okay. So Ahmad and Farhana think a pop-up boutique. Okay. Okay. Tell me this. I think Muttapir, you still haven't answered, right? You're still getting over the fact that Sandra, yeah? That name Sandra was very interesting,
I'm
right?
the
So
movie only.
okay, even you think movie, all right. Okay, why do you think, okay, everybody's saying movie, okay, when Munib said movie, right? I just have Ahmad and Farhana saying pop-up. So why do you all think it's pop-up boutique?
Because I guess for an advertise this to they be taking a fixed price.
Okay, Ahmad, what do you think? Why is it pop-up?
Um, Actually, though,
Sorry?
it's because like the products they're gonna sell, they're gonna buy at a fixed price.
Okay, okay. Okay, what do you think is a pop-up boutique? What do you think is a
Ma'am,
pop-up boutique?
in social media,
Sorry?
anyone can log in by social media.
Yeah, see, because they're relying on the social media for um, advertising. So over there is not much of expenditure. And pop-up boutique is basically just for few weeks. Like, if like now Navaratri is going on, okay, the Sera is coming up, Navaratri is going on. So they have those dresses that they wear during Navaratris, the traditional one. So maybe a pop-up boutique opens only for such a short time, okay, and selling those kind of dresses and those dandiya sticks. Okay, so that is your pop-up boutique. So you honestly think that it would have the highest fixed cost?
No.
Do you think so? It would
No,
have a
ma'am.
higher fixed cost.
No.
No, because
You
what
go
what
to
it,
breakout room na, then you can call me.
it's going to be something wherein it's just for a short term. Okay, they hire it just for small time and then they just do it irrespective, and it's only for few minutes, few weeks maybe. At times they have it only for few minutes also, depending on the numbers that they are having in the market. So
No, ma'am.
I would still leave it open to you all. You can think about it. We're going to end the session out here. You can just still consider what other options also you have. You can consider that also. The bakery, the hot dog stand, the major motion picture studio,
Ma'am,
and
even
maybe,
bakery and hot dog is right.
yeah,
Because
hot
for
dog stand.
bakeries, you need that. For making cakes, you need lots of ingredients.
Right, right. You know what? In fact, I want you all to think between the bakery and the major motion picture studio. Okay, I want you all to think between the two of them. Okay, and tell me which would be the more fixed cost. Think, guys. See, just because I heard the name major motion movies, adventure movies, and just by the name, let me not just go for it. Fixed cost. Remember, not variable cost. Like in one movie, I might need to crash cars. In another movie, I might need to crash only two cars. In a movie, I might need to crash a helicopter. So whether that's my fixed cost or my variable cost. So think about it between the bakery and the movie. studio, and we'll see you next week. Till then, make sure that your fixed costs are minimal and variable costs too. Have fun. Tomorrow, be ready with your commentary. I am not going to take a no from anybody. No excuses. I've given those 5 words. You're going to make your
Ma'am, I
commentary.
already wrote it down.
You're fantastic, Safiya. Okay, whoever hasn't written, you have to write it because I'm not going to let go. All right, I'm going to give a call to your parents and I'm going to hear it from the phone, your commentary, if you don't attend my class tomorrow. So be ready with it. It's going to be a peer grading. So when suppose Farhana is giving her commentary, she will be rated by all of you, and then we'll have a total, and then we'll have winners. We'll have a face off competition as well, and from that the final winner will come. So is that okay with everybody? Even if it's not, I don't mind. I just want to do it and have fun with you guys. Yeah, okay. So bye everybody, see you then, take care, see you tomorrow, bye.
Bye, ma'am.